Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm here with a perfect recipe for the season. A simple milk pudding with a bright red syrup on top, that too without any artificial colors. So today let's see how to make this Muhallabi, or also called as Muhallabi. Let's start making this Arabic dessert. Take some cornflour, add some water, mix it and keep it aside. Now into a pan add some milk, add sugar, add some rose water for flavoring and mix it. Now at this point of time, if you want, you can also add some fresh cream, but I just skipped that in my recipe, and heat the milk. Once it starts to boil, add the cornflour mixture and mix it. Now as you can see, it has turned thick. Mix it for some more time. Now it got the perfect texture. Let's turn off the flame. Now once it cools down a bit, add it into the serving glasses. Now you have to set this milk pudding in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Now let's see how to make the red syrup for the Muhallabi. Add around half a cup of cold pressed pomegranate juice into a pan. Add some sugar, mix it and bring it to boil. You have to use the cold pressed pomegranate juice or else it may change its color. Check the cold pressed juice recipe in the description box or click the I button above. Allow the juice to cool down so that it will become thick, and then pour it on top of the milk pudding. Traditionally in this Muhallabi, rose syrup is poured on top of this milk pudding, but the store-bought rose syrup contains artificial colors. So instead I used homemade pomegranate red syrup, and it looks fabulous. Now for garnishing, you can use chopped pistachios, you can chill this pudding for some time before you dig in. The combination of thick milk pudding with the tasty syrup, just amazing. So definitely try out the superb and easy recipe. Share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.